Hello friends, I am Kamlesh Kumar, Assistant Professor in Biyani Group of Colleges. Today I am deliver my lecture on type of systems behalf of Guru KPO. First of all, we have to my previous lectures I have defined system and DFD. After DFD we have discussed system, what is system and their types and how they can work. In this these are types of system. There are different kinds of systems are available, but we have to discuss some few systems. System can be divided in the following types. Physical and abstract system. Physical and abstract system. Basically, we have to discuss physical and abstract in separately. Physical system are tangible entity. We can touch and feel them. We have to feel and touch both on physical physical system, and physical system may static or dynamic in nature. It is a very physical system may be static or dynamic in nature. Then abstract system are non-physical entities or conceptual. Abstract is a non-physical entities on or conceptual in system. After abstraction and physical system, we have to discuss about open and closed system. Open and closed system are also used in system type of system. We have to an open system must interact with its environment. Friendly environment, and closed system does not interact with environment, and it does not interact with environment. Then next one is permanent and temporary system. There are two permanent and temporary system are also available. So we have to discuss about permanent system. Precise for long time. It means it is a very working with very long time. So for example, business policies, there are different kind of policies are available for business, and temporary system made for specific time. Temporary system, it means for example DJ sound system, it is a temporary based system because it will be work for 8 to 15 hour, between 8 to 15 hours. So it is a temporary. But permanent system precise for long time, it means it will be take long time. So for example, business policies and another policies in business, we have to use in the permanent and temporary system. These three type of systems are we have to seen here. After three system we have to discuss more systems. Man-made information system. In man-made information system, there can be divided into 4 to 3 parts. In man-made information system also work in system. Man-made system also work in system. In man-made system, it is an interconnected set of information resources to manage data for particular organization under DMC, direct management control. It is maintained by DMC, direct control management, to our organization or a system. It conduct all data for DMC. It collect data from DMC and maintain to particular system. And next, this system includes, in this point we have to include all the part of computer hardware, software, data, etc. We have to collect data, input, output, and these kind of data we have to use in the system. Next, formal information system. It is based on the flow of information in the form of memos. Those information are folded in memos. It will be top level and low level managed. It will be managed by top or low level, both of them managed. Then next, informal information system. This is an employee based system which solve the day-to-day work. In this information system, it will be solved day-to-day problems through employee based problems are solved through day-to-day problems. Then computer based system also work with systems. This system directly dependent on the computer. It is directly depend on the computer, the hardware, software input, and information gathering, and more kind of things, that it will be dependent on the directly computer system. Thank you. Have a nice day.